Maryland Spotlight. It's all about Maryland living.
Welcome to Maryland Spotlight. I'm Kim Knight. When you're thinking about your finances and building that nest egg, do you need a little clarity? Well, joining me is Brian Kuhn. You are a certified financial planner with PSG Clarity. Thanks for being here. Tell me about your company and a little bit of background.
Sure. Thanks for having me, Kim, and to WMAR for the opportunity. PSG Clarity is a financial planning firm, not a wealth management firm. And what I mean by that is I've been in this industry for about 14 years now, and there's been a movement over the past several years towards the term and the service of wealth management. And there's nothing wrong with that. However, that term can sometimes be intimidating, and sometimes people feel like they don't have enough money to qualify for quality service. So how we wanted to position ourselves as a firm with PSG Clarity is we want to help people regardless of their current financial circumstances and provide a quality service to help them try to accomplish their goals. Right. Go ahead.
No, I was going to ask some of the basics of financial planning and
Sure.
what people should know.
Sure. There's so much that you can do and to look into, but a couple basic things would be legal documents, as an example. Legal documents are things like a will and a power of attorney and a medical directive. We're not attorneys, we don't draft those, but we help get them off of people's to-do list. We often find that they are.
Yeah, and a lot of people are a little nervous about that.
Sure.
You think will, but if you don't have that kind of planning and financial
Absolutely.
Stability, it can be a real mess.
It's very important, especially with marriages and children, and you have to just put it in writing, then it goes on the bookshelf, and it's there.
Now, you have a book out. Tell me about your book.
Sure. It's called Total Compensation, a practical guide to federal employee benefits. And it's devoted to federal employee benefits and all of the comprehensive planning that goes along with that. I've had the opportunity to work with federal employees over my career and consider it a niche. It's not the only type of individual or household that I work with by any means, but each chapter is devoted to a different section of the benefits, like the pension and the thrift savings plan, which is their retirement investment, Social Security, long-term care, health insurance. And then in the back is a section that says, and what to do for the rest of us, which is for private
involving
sector
more
people.
private sectors that they can learn how to do that.
Yeah.
That sounds good. If any of our viewers want to get in touch with you, how can they?
Sure. Well, psgclarity.com, or our number is 301-543-6035. We're on the internet in a variety of places.
Facebook, I see that.
Yep, we're on there. And we're in a place called Fulton, which is Howard County, but we travel all over the Beltway for client appointments.
Okay, Brian Kuhn, thanks so much for being with us today.
Sure, thank you.
And thank you all for joining us today on Maryland Spotlight.